This is how I was able to fund my KuCoin account, make $1,000 using the power of leverage, all in just 24 hours. Hey, what's going on, fellow Canadians? So, I'm sure everyone's super happy with Mr. Trudeau and all the restrictions he's put on crypto, and that's probably why you found yourself at this video. So, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to buy crypto using ShakePay, get that crypto onto KuCoin, and how to actually use your futures account inside there to leverage yourself and blow up your account. Just kidding. We're going to be safe. We're going to be precautious. We're not complete degens. We're not going to use 125x leverage, right?
Wrong.
That is
wrong. And he did the wrong thing. Wrong.
That is absolutely
wrong.
Proved over and over again.
Wrong.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so let's jump into the video. And if you stick around to the end, I have a way that you can get free crypto daily, absolutely free. All you have to do is log in and shake your phone. So if you're interested in that, stick around to the end. So because Canada wants to make it hard on us for crypto, basically what we're gonna do is use ShakePay as an onboarding platform. So that's where we get our money onto. So we can send an e-transfer, a bank transfer, and that's where our money's gonna go. And then we're gonna be able to purchase crypto inside that app. Now, pretty much every exchange that Canada has available, like ShakePay, won't have futures. So what we need to do is move it to an exchange that does have futures and an exchange that we can actually use with our IP in Canada. So I know what platforms I like to use. I like to use ShakePay and I like to use KuCoin. You can do your own research on what platforms you guys want to use. Those ones work for me. I can do a video breaking down why I use those two. I think there is a better way than using ShakePay, to be honest. I think there is a cheaper way. This is just the absolute easiest way. You're gonna pay maybe a tiny bit more in fees, but whatever, we'll make it up in our futures account. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get our phones, or you can use the computer, whatever you'd like, and we're gonna sign up for ShakePay. I have a link down below. We both get $20. I get lunch money, you get lunch money, and by using this code, you actually have to use a referral to get the free crypto that I'm talking about at the end of the video. So if you have a friend that already has a link, perfect. You both still get $20, or you can use mine and we both get $20. However you do it, it doesn't matter to me. Now, once you sign up for ShakePay, so on my phone here, you can see, oh, I got a little bit of Bitcoin left over in here. So we're gonna want to actually add money into this account. So we're just gonna click the add, and this is once you have signed up for ShakePay and verified your account. So we're gonna hit add, and you can do $10,000 of e-transfer for e-transfer, or you can do a bank deposit, wire transfer, or of course, if you have crypto in a different wallet and you just want to send it over here, you can do that as well. Just be careful that this only accepts the Ethereum network and the Bitcoin network. Like you can't use any like Tron or Polygon or any of those other networks. KuCoin only works with the Ethereum network and the Bitcoin network. So keep that in mind, because if you mess that up, you'll lose your money forever. It's gone to the ether. Okay, so we're gonna send an Interact e-transfer. We're gonna hit continue. And then it's gonna have some information here that you're gonna put. So you're gonna go to your bank to make a Interact e-transfer, and you're gonna add this as a payee. So you're gonna obviously put the email, put the security question that they're telling you here, and then put the security answer that they're telling you here. So I'm gonna go to my bank and send over $100 so I can show you guys how this all works. Okay, as you can see, I have the email there, the amount, my security question, and that security answer that they gave us. So we're gonna send this through, and then once it gets to ShakePay, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we just sent through that e-transfer. It should, there we go, popped right into my balance very, very, very fast. Like that was probably 30 seconds. Okay, so now that we have our $100 balance inside our ShakePay, now you're gonna wanna go and sign up for KuCoin. Yes, of course, I also have a link down there. If you use it, I get lunch money, you get lunch money. Same deal as before. So go down there, sign up for KuCoin, verify your account. Once you're verified, then we can take this money and put it into your KuCoin account, where KuCoin will allow you to have tons of features. They have copy trading, so like you can copy my trades. and I just trade and it copies it instantly. They have AI bots that can just run different kind of scripts. They have lots of cool stuff over there. Anyway, I'll make a separate video on exchanges and stuff like that. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna buy some Ethereum or Bitcoin. I believe Ethereum's a little bit cheaper for fees for transferring. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to Ethereum, we're gonna go buy, and we're gonna go max, which is our 100, review order, and now we're going to purchase this. Boom. Now we have bought our Ethereum. So as you can see, we've 98.52. So they did take $1.48 from us. That's fine. It's the price of doing business sometimes. They need to eat. We need to get our stuff so that we can absolutely degen on KuCoin. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to send this Ethereum to our KuCoin account. So now I'm going to go into the KuCoin account and show you where to go. So this is the homepage of KuCoin. Has lots of cool stuff on here. I'll get into all that stuff later. I'm going to show you where you need to go right now. So right now we want to go into assets. Then we're going to want to go into our funding. And in funding, this is where we're going to want to deposit our Ethereum. So we're going to hit deposit, Ethereum, and make sure it's the ERC20. So this is the one that we're going to want to use, ERC20. Now, I'm going to blur some of this stuff because I don't know if it's going to hurt me or hack me or something, so never mind that. But what you want to do is you want to copy this address right there. So we're going to want to copy this address, and this thing's going to give you a little notification saying, hey, you can only deposit Ethereum on the ERC20 network. Perfect, that's what we're going to be doing. So, hey, got it. We're going to go back over into our ShakePay. As you can see, Ethereum price just dropped a tiny little bit. So we lost a couple cents there. Could go the other way. We could have made a little bit. Anyway, so now we're going to send our Ethereum. We're going to put in that code that we just got. And I always like to double check that the code is right. So the first 3 letters and the last 3 letters, I always make sure match. Great, they match. So I'm going to take this account. I'm going to put max, which is all of our Ethereum. We're going to hit continue. And we're going to send this. The nice thing about ShakePay as well is you get a free network sending, so you don't have to pay any fee to send it, which is nice. So it's a fast 10 minutes. So this is going to take around 10 to 30 minutes. It says 10 minutes, but it doesn't always take that amount of time. So we're going to hit confirm. And then, so this is going to require us to actually confirm it twice on our email. So go open up your email, hit confirm on your email. So now, while we're waiting for that money to actually deposit into this account, I'll just show you one of my trading accounts here. So this is actually the trade that I took that made me $1,000 in under, so these are 4-hour candlesticks. So this is, let's say 4, 8, 12, like around 12 hours, whatever. I said 24 just because it sounds good. Now, this is my entry. On this green little line, I had a limit order for I think it was $3,110. So that's where I entered. I think I used about, this I have a value of $177. So it's probably around $170 I used. And you can see that it's up to $2,258 US, which is great. We're actually leaving this trade to run because I see much more potential in the charts. And I have a stop loss in the green at $1,000. So if this drops down and tags me out, I have a guaranteed $1,000. So this is the power of using leverage, is that I only used $170 And this has now generated me $2,265. So using the power of leverage is super, super, super powerful, but used the wrong way and it will blow up your account. So I'm gonna make videos on how to make sure that doesn't happen to you. And I also have a free community, Discord community. I'm gonna keep it free. I'm gonna do my plays inside there, learning, teachings, videos, lots of cool stuff. I just wanna build an awesome community inside there. So if you're interested in joining that, links down below. You can ask questions, you can learn, you can follow trades, you can chat with other people. That's the kind of community that I'm gonna try and build. Now, hopefully in KuCoin, we're soon going to receive those funds. Okay, so now that we have our money in ShakePay, you can see Ethereum at the bottom has gotten to our account. We now have $68.34. And in Canadian, what does that equal? Let me just quickly do a conversion. What was that? 68.46 USD to CAD. So it's $98.85. So out of this whole thing, we've lost $1.15. Not too shabby. Now, going back to here. Now, instead of putting it in your funding account, you can also put it in your trading account instead, because that's where we're gonna have to actually send this, turn it into USDT, and then put it in our futures account so that we can use our futures account, and the futures account will use the USDT as collateral. So we're going to transfer this. So from funding into trading, we're gonna transfer our Ethereum, hit max, confirm it over, boom, swapped it into our trading account. Now, in our trading account, we're going to convert. So we're going to convert our Ethereum into USDT. I'm just going to hit max here. That's going to give us our $68.36. Boom, convert that into USDT. Great. Now we have USDT. So now we're going to have to transfer again from our trading account into our futures account. So trading into futures. Now we can see we have our USDT there. We just hit max, confirm it into our futures account. And now, as you can see, we have put that into our futures account. Now you can use your futures account to make trades. And I can also make a video on that later. Okay, so as promised, you sticked around to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you how to get some free crypto every single day. So on ShakePay, you see this little flame at the top. You're gonna click that guy, and you see how it says a 1-day streak. Now, I suck at keeping up with this, to be honest with you, but if you get on a streak, you earn more crypto by being on a longer and longer streak. So all I'm gonna do, shake my phone here, boom, free Satoshis. Just like that. So there we go. We added, I forget what my balance was before, but I think it's like 10 cents or 20 cents or something a day, but then it compounds. So if you want free crypto, use ShakePay, just shake every single day. You do have to have somebody that gives you a referral link, or else you're not gonna be able to shake. So if you wanna use the code down below, go for it. If you have a friend that has a code, go for it. That's exactly how you do it. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions at all. Sayonara.